Good morning, distinguished guests, fellow students, and friends. Today, I stand before you to talk about a topic that is of utmost importance to our nation: building unity and solidarity in a diverse nation. Indonesia is a country blessed with immense diversity. We are a nation of over 270 million people, representing more than 1,300 ethnic groups and speaking over 700 languages. This diversity is our strength, but it can also be a source of division. Throughout our history, we have faced challenges that have threatened to tear us apart. But time and again, we have overcome these challenges by coming together as one nation. We have shown that we are stronger when we are united. We have shown that we can achieve great things when we work together. Today, we face new challenges that require us to come together once again. We are facing a global pandemic, economic uncertainty, and social unrest. But I am confident that we can overcome these challenges just as we have overcome challenges in the past. We can overcome these challenges by building unity and solidarity. We can do this by embracing our diversity. We must learn to appreciate and celebrate our differences, promoting tolerance and understanding. We must be open to different viewpoints and beliefs, rejecting extremism and violence. We must stand together against those who would seek to divide us, working together for a common goal. We must focus on the things that unite us rather than the things that divide us. Building unity and solidarity is not an easy task. It requires hard work, dedication, and commitment. But it is a task that is worth it, because when we are united, we are unstoppable. So let us come together as one nation and build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. In addition to the points mentioned above, I would like to add that we must also focus on education as a key to building unity and solidarity. Education can help us to understand our own culture and heritage, as well as the cultures and heritages of others. It can help us to develop critical thinking skills and to learn how to resolve conflict peacefully. By investing in education, we are investing in the future of our nation. We are investing in a more united, more prosperous, and more peaceful Indonesia. Thank you for your time.